Hey everyone, it's some day. I don't know, I forget what day I'm on.
How's your project doing? You actually finished the second one. We met at one. Is your computer editor? Oh, it's there. Yeah, send it back. Did you finish your second class? I don't think why are you playing? That's part of my ASD. I think. Oh shit.
So yeah, actually we have a milestone tomorrow and I haven't finished any of it, so I'm like actually cooked. It's not like I haven't finished any of it because you've seen how much I've been doing, but I can't get the buttons to work, like the feeding and playing and sleeping buttons. Yeah, I have to find out how to do that tomorrow. It's 10 p.m. right now. I'm not tired right now, but I was so tired. I was literally dying at like 6 or 5. From like 5 to 7. 5 to 8, I was so tired. I wasn't even gonna code today, but I ended up coding, thank goodness. I feel like I haven't done much this week, so I have to start picking up the pace. I have an SAT on Saturday, so I'm very scared. Oh, I'm scared, but we'll be fine. Bye.